Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a custom domain in Odoo. Let's get started. First, go to odoo.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard, where you will click on the website option right here. In this new tab containing your website, click on Configuration from the navigation menu, then click on Domain Name from the drop-down menu. This will open a pop-up asking for confirmation, because you have to make sure that your website is ready before you do this. If your website is ready, click on My Website is Ready right here. Next, in this new page, another pop-up will appear where you will choose Use My Own Domain. Another pop-up will appear where you will type in the custom domain you want to add in Odoo. After that, click on Verify at the far right, and once it's verified, click on I confirm it's done right here. And that is how you can add a custom domain in Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.